Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey, what's up, guys? If you're in the process of trying to build your business credit and you want to start your corporation, but you think you have to get a virtual office, let me tell you now, you do not need a virtual office to build business credit. Especially like if you're trying to get business loans and stuff, it's not necessary to have a virtual office or a commercial building. Trust me, and I'm going to tell you why. Say that you're an individual that's actually selling physical products and stuff with a company like Amazon. And the title of this video is how to get a $30,000 Amazon business loan with no credit check. So if you don't need business credit and personal credit, what is it that you need in order to get a business loan from Amazon? Well, the first thing you need is you need to be a seller on Amazon. And when you become a seller on Amazon, now you start to build a relationship with Amazon. And I'll tell you another thing. The reason I state that you don't need a virtual office is because say that you went over to a company like Alibaba and just say that you wanted markers, right? You're selling markers on Amazon platform. Now these markers, you want to put your logo on them, right? So when you get those markers, you have them shipped to Amazon FBA. So they're doing all the shipping and everything for you. So they're the ones that have the commercial address. That's the reason I said that you don't need a virtual address. A lot of people, they won't start their corporation because they say, well, I don't have a commercial address. You don't need a commercial address because there's a lot of companies out there. They're doing a lot of stuff for you to make it just easier for you to actually operate your business out of your home. And like I said, with the overhead costs and stuff, Amazon is handling all of your overhead costs, right? So because they're handling all your overhead costs and they're charging you a fee for that, of course, but at the same time, you don't have to pay for logistics. You don't have to pay for overhead. So there's no need to focus on just always thinking about, I got to get the net 30s. I got to get the gas cards and stuff. If you're trying to get loans and stuff, the thing about it, I always tell people is to start the business, especially if you're selling physical products. One of the places, or even digital products with Amazon, one of the things that you really need to do is just focus on getting a customer. It's not about you having business credit. It's all about you getting customers, being able to actually sell your product or service, okay? And so if you're selling your product or service through Amazon, then they definitely will start to build a relationship to where you can possibly qualify for a business loan. Now, let's jump back into this. So, understanding that you have to be a seller on Amazon, and most of the time with Amazon, because it's invite only, they usually take about 6 months to maybe a year. So when they calculate all the data to see actually what it is that your business is about and what it is it's actually doing. All right. So that loans in itself is going from 1,000 to 750,000, right? So they are giving out a lot of money, but again, it depends on, it depends on your product. If it's a physical product or a digital product, and in terms of the volume is what they're looking at. That's the reason that I keep telling people when you're selling physical products or digital products, you need to be able to create one of these. And this is the reason why. This is a landing page, right? So you get the name and the email, okay? So that way you're building up this buyer's list over here. So when people go through your link over to Amazon to buy your physical product or your non-physical product, okay, you make sure you catch their name and their email so you can constantly communicate with them. So that way, as you add more products to Amazon platform, now you have buyers that are interested and you start to build a brand. So people start to trust you and build a relationship with you. Now, moving on, like I said, 1,000 to 750,000. But again, now here's the thing about it: your increase in sales and your good customer relations. Again, it goes back to you building that list. It goes back to you actually communicating with your clientele. You know, if they buy your product, hey, what you like about the product, what you didn't like about the product. Is there something that you think we can add to make the product better? Or do you wish that we carry other products? This is how you start to impress Amazon and to build that relationship up. So now you're selling more products and you have a strong relationship. Now, these are the things that trigger for Amazon to actually do a business loan for you with no credit check. This isn't about business credit. It ain't about business credit. What it is, it's about sales and customer relations. That's what it's about. So it ain't about business credit with Amazon. It's about your volume and sales and your customer relations. If you can do these two, you don't have to worry about business credit, and you don't have to worry about personal credit. And you don't have to worry about a virtual office, right? Or a commercial office. Like I said, if you're selling physical products, you can have those products shipped directly over to Amazon, and Amazon sell it on Amazon's platform. And because they are in a relationship with you to sell those products, plus because they get a piece of the pie, they're able to actually start to loan you, offer you a business loan. It's up to you whether you take it or not, but they will offer you a business loan. So for people that think that I have to have business credit, personal credit, in order to get a business loan through Amazon, you don't. You don't. Like I said, these here cost 3 cents. All right, you selling them on Amazon for $5, right? And you selling these at a volume. You may be able to bundle them up with something else. But at the same time, the more you sell on Amazon, and the more of a stronger, better yet, a stronger customer relationship you have with your customers and the experience for your customer, this is what Amazon wants to do in order to make you a partner with them. You're already in a partnership with them, but in order for them to trust you with their money, they want to make sure that you have sales and a good customer relationship, and also seeing that it's an actual profitable business. And again, if you follow those steps, you don't have to worry about business credit, personal credit, or even having an office. You don't need a virtual office in order to get qualified for a business loan. Most people think that they always have to go to the bank. You don't have to go to the bank, right? You don't have to go to the bank, because there's all these other lenders that are actually looking at the business model itself. It has nothing to do with your business credit or personal credit. So this is Houston with three-way funding. I hope that this kind of encourages you to, hey, just start the business. If you want to sell physical products or digital products, like I said, signing up with Amazon and selling those products through Amazon and everything, and getting more customers to buy those products and having a good customer relationship. This is how you get money from Amazon, a business loan from Amazon with no credit check, because they're looking exactly at the business model and nothing to do with your business credit or personal credit. Okay? So this is Houston with three-way funding. I hope that this video inspires you. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you already had a business loan through Amazon and you experienced this, let us know in the comments. Let us know, hey, what was your strategy? Did you do as I said, or you took a different route? But I'm telling you, if you want to get a business loan from Amazon, then just follow these steps and they'll invite you in. They'll invite you to the party. Okay? So this is Houston with three-way funding. If you want to learn more about how to set your corporation up properly, then click the link below. Thank you.